Hi there. Today, we're installing a split air conditioner, also known as a ductless system. It comes in two main parts, the indoor unit, which blows cool air into the room, and the outdoor unit, which releases the heat outside. Now, we're getting the indoor mounting bracket ready, the metal frame that will hold the indoor unit of the split air conditioner. First, the technician measures and marks the exact spots for the screw holes on the wall. Then, he positions the bracket and checks that it's perfectly level, making sure it's not tilted to the left or right. Next, he drills pilot holes through the openings in the bracket, removes it, and drills deeper into the wall for the anchors. After that, he inserts the plastic wall plugs, called dowels, to secure the screws firmly. Finally, the bracket goes back on the wall, and the technician tightens the bolts through the dowels, locking everything solidly in place. This frame will hold the indoor AC unit safely and evenly. Next, the technician drills a hole through the wall, just to the right of the mounting bracket. He's using a large core drill, about 2.5 inches, or roughly 65 millimeters in diameter. The drill is held at a slight downward angle, so the hole slopes gently from inside to outside. This tilt is important because the drain hose must allow water to flow out of the indoor unit, not stay trapped inside. Throughout the drilling, the angle must stay steady, no shaking or twisting, since that can damage the bit or cause the hole to widen unevenly. When the hole is complete, it creates a smooth passage for the refrigerant lines, the electrical cable, and the condensate drain pipe, all of which will pass through it later. Inside the indoor unit, on the right side, there's a small access panel that covers the electrical terminals. After removing the cover, the technician connects the power cable that links the indoor and outdoor units. Each wire is inserted into its matching terminal, line, neutral, and communication, and tightened securely. This connection ensures proper power and signal flow between both units. Now the technician connects the copper refrigerant lines, one thick and one thin, that link the indoor and outdoor units. Each fitting is carefully tightened with a wrench to ensure there are no leaks. Once both lines are secure, they're wrapped with a protective foam insulation. This layer helps prevent heat transfer, keeping the cold inside the system and improving overall energy efficiency. Next, the technician adds a white finishing tape around the insulation to hold everything tightly together and give the installation a clean, professional look. The insulation and tape also protect the pipes from sunlight and temperature changes, extending their lifespan. Finally, the electrical wire is attached alongside the refrigerant lines, and the drain hose is connected, allowing condensed water from the indoor unit to flow safely outside. With all lines bundled neatly together, the system is ready for the next stage of installation. Now, the technician carefully feeds the entire bundle, the refrigerant lines, the power cable, and the drain hose through the 2.5-inch hole in the wall. Before doing this, each pipe end is sealed to prevent any dust or debris from entering. Keeping the lines clean and free of particles is critical for the system's performance and longevity. Once the bundle is pushed through to the outside, the drain hose from the indoor unit is connected to the drain line that leads outdoors. The joint is wrapped tightly with electrical tape to make it watertight and prevent any leaks. After all connections are secure, the indoor unit is mounted onto the metal wall bracket that was installed earlier. It's carefully aligned and pressed into place until it clicks and locks firmly onto the frame. This completes the setup of the indoor section of the split air conditioner. Now the technician assembles the outdoor mounting bracket, a sturdy metal frame that supports the outdoor unit of the split air conditioner. It keeps the unit above the ground to protect it from dirt, water, and snow, while allowing better airflow for efficient cooling and safe operation. After connecting the lines, the technician performs a quick vacuum to remove any air and moisture from the system. Then, rubber pads are placed under the feet of the outdoor unit. These pads help absorb vibration and reduce noise, preventing it from transferring through the wall and into the house. It's a small step that makes a big difference in comfort and durability. Now, the technician installs a Wi-Fi dongle, a small adapter that connects the AC to your home network. It lets you control the unit from your phone even when you're away, so you can cool your home before you arrive. This installation is done, and as you can see, everything works perfectly. The air conditioner runs smooth, quiet, and efficient, just the way it should after a proper setup. Behind this job stands Jason Costa, a certified GoMaster professional from Gold Coast, Australia. GoMaster is the platform that helps you find real, trusted experts in your area. You can see how they work before you book. No guessing, no surprises. Each professional is verified, experienced, and proud of their craft. Browse technicians near you, watch short videos of their real work, check reviews, and choose the one who fits your needs best. GoMaster is already available in the US, Canada, Britain, and Australia, connecting homeowners with professionals they can truly rely on. So if you're looking for someone who does the job right, just like Jason, scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to get started. Because on GoMaster, you don't just hire a name, you watch real professionals in action before you choose. GoMaster. Pick your pro before hello.